Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about topologies in computer networks. So what are topologies? They are basically geometrical representation of different types of network shapes. They can be in the form of a ring, a mesh, a star or a bus. This is how a ring topology looks like. As you can see on your screen now, there are going to be multiple hosts, and each of this host can be any device which is capable of sending and receiving data. So it can be like a desktop or a laptop or any mobile or handheld device, and all these hosts will be connected together in the form of a ring. The data flow can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So all these hosts now are connected together in the form of a ring, and they are capable of sending and receiving data. The second topology is the mesh topology. The best thing about this topology is that each device is directly connected to other device in the network. So a host or a desktop or a laptop or any mobile device will have direct link to all the other devices in the network. When we have direct connections, we don't have to think about wasting time in sending the data. So data flow is very fast in this topology. Next we have the star topology. It makes use of a central hub. So all the devices in the network are going to be connected to this central hub, and communication is going to take place through that hub only. Each device who wants to send the data will send it to the central hub, which will forward it towards the destination. Finally, we have a bus topology. It makes use of a central line to carry data across all the devices. So this central line is capable of carrying data in both the directions. All the devices are going to be connected across this bus, and data is going to be forwarded from one node to other node through this common bus. This bus provides a common channel for communication. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this lecture about topology. See you in my next video.